We installed a Legrand Adorne touch dimmer switch, not the Wi-Fi one, and my husband has managed to mess it up to the point where we can't even turn it on. Can you provide the instructions on how to program it?
Hi, I'm Mike G and I'll be assisting you. Below is a link to the instructions and videos for that dimmer. http://www.legrand.us% installation videos.
This link doesn't work.
Sorry about that. Try Googling Legrand Adorne dimmer, the site will be on the list. How to install? Did you get the site?
I did. I already found that website, and it does not provide instructions for programming the dimmer, just for the installation. I'm not very impressed at paying $25 to be told to Google my own answer. Thanks anyway, but I won't be recommending your service.
Sorry for your dissatisfaction. Usually the Legrand installation website is a complete guide. Don't judge us by one failure. I just reviewed the available videos on the site I gave you. In the collection there is one on programming. Might want to go back and look again. I'll opt out. Hope you get what you need.
The video is for the true universal soft tap dimmer, which is the Wi-Fi one. We don't have the Wi-Fi option on the one we have.
Hello, my name is. I would love to help you get this figured out. Do you have a model and serial numbers for the touch dimmer? Did the lights ever work with the dimmer? And what kind of lights are they? Incandescent LED, CFL? Also, you said your husband messed it up. Stuff happens, I don't judge. But he may be helpful in getting this thing to work.
I don't have the numbers with me at work, but yes, they did work when we installed them with no problem. We didn't touch the programming at all when we installed it. They are LED lights. My husband was playing around with it the other night and messed up the programming somehow or other, and now they won't even turn on.
Is the LED on the switch still on? Oh, okay, I reread everything again. It changes color.
It flashes red dot, and if you hold the on/off button it eventually flashes green. I'm wondering if flicking the breaker will reset it.
Allow me a moment, I'm looking for the programming manual now. You know what's not a bad idea? I'm sorry, that's not a bad idea. Smile. If you do reset the breaker, leave it off for a good minute. These switches have batteries and may take a moment to power down fully. But let me read over this manual quick and see if it's easy fix.
Excellent. Thanks so much. Smile.
Did the electrician who installed the device program it? I can see how somebody could mess it up. In order to enter the programming menu on the switch, you must hold the button down for 10 seconds. You must keep holding the button until the light starts rapidly flashing. This is about 15 seconds until the rapid flashing occurs.
My husband installed the switch himself. We didn't realize you could even program it. Once he installed it, we just used it as a regular dimmer switch with no problems. It wasn't until he was playing around with it that he confused it. So once we're in the programming menu, what do we do?
Just so we are on the same page, please find attached the instructions. Does this look like your light switch? And look at the bottom left of the sheet. Does this sound like your problem? Did your husband take the faceplate off when he was looking at the switch?
No, he didn't T. He was just fiddling. He's a mechanic. He does that sort of thing. Smile, but yes. This is the instruction sheet I was hoping to find. I think we can figure it out with this. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.